I had kind of a bump up here on the bridge, and the end kind of hung down a little bit. It was a little bit big. And I think a couple times in my life, guys had made comments like, oh, our kids would have really big noses.
Well, Holly came in with just the thought that had bothered her for a long time, that her nose just didn't match her face. She's an otherwise very attractive young lady, but she'd always had just a large nose that was out of proportion to the rest of her face.
I mean, overall, Dr. Altamira made the experience so easy and simple, and I think out of all the doctors that I spoke with, he was the one who made me the most at ease with the process. And he said, you know, you can always do more, but let's do something modest for now, and it's just overall really comfortable.
First, we talked to the patient at length. We asked them what they like about their nose and then what they don't like about their nose. There are certain things that, you know, we can change and certain things we don't want to change if they're happy with that. We'll take several photographs from different angles, and then we can project them on the computer screen for the patient, and we can actually morph the images to show the patient what they can possibly look like. And that way we can make sure we're on the same page as far as what the patient wants to look like and what can actually be accomplished in surgery, so that they do have realistic expectations, and we can kind of give them a good idea of what they'll actually will look like after the surgery.
The recovery time was really quick. Dr. Altamira had explained that it would hurt for a little bit. He even gave me painkillers, but I think I took 2 of them. It wasn't as painful nearly as I thought it would be. And I think I had some soreness if I would touch it for maybe a month after, but overall it didn't hurt.
Rhinoplasty is basically changing the shape of the nose. It can be done for a variety of reasons. Usually it's a lot of times just the patient has always felt their nose was too big for their face. They were never happy with their appearance, and so it's basically a great operation that can be used to reshape a person's nose to match their face better.
It was so exciting taking that Band-Aid off for the first time. Like, when you look at yourself in the mirror, you always notice an imperfection that maybe you don't like. And for the first time I looked and thought, oh, my nose is adorable.